If you are looking to elevate your website SEO without spending countless hours on tedious tasks, look no further than Boostify. In this video, we'll explore how Boostify has become a game changer in the SEO world. Automating everything from keyword research to content optimization, Boostify offers powerful keyword analysis that finds high volume, low competition keywords tailored to your industry, allowing you to target terms that truly resonate with your audience. It also provides advanced content recommendation, suggesting precise keywords placement and optimal heading for better readability and ranking potential. Boostify on-page SEO tools let you refine meta description, alt tags, and even internal links to boost your content SEO performance. One of its standout features is the built-in competitor analysis, where you can assess your competitors' keyword strategies and discover opportunities they might have missed. Plus, Boostify continuously updates your site SEO health, pinpointing areas for improvement and keeping your website in the top shape. Dive into the full video to see why Boostify is the only tool you need to reach new SEO heights in 2024.